Thank you for joining us on our amazing adventure to Antarctica. Starting in the U.S., we flew from Miami to Buenos Aires, Argentina. From there, we flew to the southernmost city in the world, Ushuaia, Argentina. This was where we embarked on our expedition ship, the Ocean Albatross, which took us to the great white continent of Antarctica. Please watch all 4 episodes of this journey to see nature's stunning glaciers and icebergs, wildlife, fun activities, and of course, many, many adorable penguins. Enjoy. Tierra del Fuego, near Ushuaia, Argentina, the most southern city in the world.
Okay, get in the picture, please. Everybody, before everybody comes.
That view is incredible. So pretty.
Hide at the back there with the geese. Look here, let me show you.
I'm looking at a singing bird that's singing to her flirty little bird partner on the other side of the walkway.
The one on top of the tree,
Uh-huh.
that's the austral thrush.
Austral thrush. Well, I don't know what Okay, so this is Indian bread. Indian's bread. And it has no nutritional value, but the Indians did eat it sometimes just to help their stomachs feel full. It's a fungus. I thought I said that. So beautiful.
The male and the brown is the female.
Oh my God.
I got it. Yeah.
Right. Hi, Dave. We're in Patagonia. Tierra del Fuego. Hi, Dave. These are feral horses that escaped from ranches long ago, and they've just stayed breeding in the park here, Tierra del Fuego. We're looking at Route 3. It starts in Alaska, Route 3, and comes all the way down North America, South America, and ends here in Ushuaia, Tierra del Fuego, at the bottom, the end of the world.
Steve taking a panorama. I was waiting for the wave to get you. It's a Monday afternoon and we're going to the Fin del Mundo sign. This in the background is where we stayed, our hotel here in Ushuaia. And you can see in the background, oh, just cloud cover, just covered up some of the mountain peaks.
But the sun came out right here.
Just a week ago, she broke her toe and she's walking like a trooper now. Limping like a trooper now. We're on the Explorer's Walk here in Ushuaia. We don't know any of the people so far.
This man, Jose Maria Sobral, he was the first Argentinian that wintered in Antarctica. Are you waiting for the sign? ¿Esperas para eso?
No.
Okay.
Here's the back of the fin del. Here's the back of El Fin de. Here's the back of El Fin. Here's the back of El Fin del Mundo sign.
Our first penguin. This is the Secretariat de Turismo. This is where you can get your passport stamps. There are 4 distinct Ushuaia passport stamps to prove you were here at the Fin del Mundo. Okay.
Becky's stamping in my passport.
I'm gonna do it right here.
Okay. Let's see it.
Not very dark. Right here. Ushuaia, Argentina.
We haven't seen a real penguin yet, but there are sure a lot of penguins on the artwork here in Ushuaia, Argentina. Here's the post office in Ushuaia, and dogs everywhere attack the mailman.
We're in the prison here in this area of the world. Magellan was the first person that discovered it, and then there were not many people here, just the Yamana native people and the prisoners. This is the prison, each of these rooms. Somebody's prison, or maybe more than one prison. They're so little, too. Now they've just got displays in them.
Ushuaia used to be a penal colony until they moved the prison and it became a tourist location.
Oh, look in here.
It's been sitting there quite some time.
How are you feeling?
I heard you killed a woman. Admit it. Come on, fess up. It's time. You've been sitting here a long time. It's the only way you'll be free. In order to recruit for his expedition to Antarctica, Ernest Shackleton said this and posted this message. Small wages, bitter cold, safe return doubtful, honor and recognition in case of success.
This room is all about Croatia. Between 1890 and 1930, there were a significant number of Croats who immigrated to Ushuaia.
This guy over here is saying, stop,
Help
in the
me.
name of love. Quite extensive prison in a star formation. This is the courtyard from the second level. And you can see all the wings. These doors are wings that go to the various exhibits in the museum. Just a little stroll in Ushuaia on the main street, which is
San Martin.
San Martin before we get on the ship. We've heard that the channel waters are so rough today we might not even be able to put into the Drake Passage, but we'll see. So you can see the water at the end of the block here going perpendicular to San Martin,
That's the Beagle Channel.
the Beagle Channel. And if we go up this way, we can see some of the mountains in town that are dusted in snow. All right, if you want to say any last words, now's the time.
Safe passage.
Well, this is video, so you can't talk.
It's either the end of the world or the end.
Okay, I gotta get in
Get
it.
yourself in, yeah.
There. All right, where's Nicole? She took off. There she is. She's got to be in the video. Yeah.
We just arrived in our room. We're so excited. We've got our twin beds in case we're sick. Bathrobes, slippers, TV, and a little sitting area and a balcony.
So here we are on our balcony of the Ocean Albatross.
Yeah, this is so great.
Oh my
There's
goodness.
Ushuaia in the background.
Yeah. It's very colorful.
pilot who had to take this ship through the Beagle Channel. He was getting back on his ship because we're leaving the Beagle Channel. So it's about 1 p.m. on Wednesday. We've been here since yesterday at about 10 p.m. in the Beagle Channel because the waters in the Drake Passage are just too rough to go out into. There's another ship out in the distance here that tried to go into the Drake Passage yesterday and turned around and came back. Here we are in the mudroom.
Getting ready to
Try on a pair of boots. Here's our locker with our life vest for the Zodiacs.
40. If you try it on.
Yeah, these are good.
Good. Okay.
So the captain just spoke to the ship and said that there was some good news that we're going to leave about midnight tonight on our way down through the Drake Passage to Antarctica. 26 hours after we stopped here at the end of the Beagle Channel, waiting for calmer waters in the Drake Passage to head on our way. And we found out that that ship that's out there in the distance has been stuck for 3 days now.
And it's going to be a rough Drake Passage for the first 24 hours, he said, but it's good enough we can go, so here we go.
It's quite a rocky morning. Thank you for helping my wife.
Thank you. Okay, I'm good now. Thank you.
So it's about 7:30 in the morning. We had a rocky night, but we're both feeling pretty good. We have to hang on every minute. Here we are continuing on our journey to Antarctica. Smile.
Hey guys, looking at birds. What a day.
We will set up the camp together, and since you will need to set up your own equipment, of course with our assistance, but you kind of want to be able to do this on your own, we also ask everyone to test them in your cabins, or chill out for an afternoon on your balcony, and if you want to see how warm they keep you. But it's good to be prepared to see how the equipment works. So we can now pretend that this is fully inflated. In addition to this, you will get this sleeping mat, a thermarest mat. And then you open the hatch, that's your flush. You dump it down to the lower compartment. If it's just liquids, it all goes down very easily. If there are some solids in here, you might want to repeat this process.